Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about dividing fractions by fractions. When you're given a fraction to divide by another fraction, the first step you do is to change the division sign between the fractions and make it a multiplication. So let's say we have 7/8 divided by 1/2. You will change the division sign and make it a multiplication sign. So we will end up with 7/8 times. But the moment that you change the division sign, you have to invert the second fraction. So to invert the fraction, it means to make the denominator the numerator and the numerator will become the denominator. So in other words, you have to flip the second fraction and make sure that the number that was the denominator will now go on top and the number that was on top will now go at the bottom. So we did 7/8 times. Now we flip the second fraction. So 2 was at the bottom, it's going to go on top. And 1 was on top, it's going to go under. So now we end up with 7/8 times 2/1. Now we have two fractions that are multiplying. 7/8 times 2/1. And whenever you're multiplying fractions, all you do is you multiply the top numbers together all over the bottom numbers multiplied together. So the numerators, we have 7 and 1. So 7 is for the first fraction and 2 is for the second fraction now. So you will now say 7 times 2. You get 14. That's your answer. On the numerator, all over, we go to the bottom side, 8 times 1, we get 8. So that's your denominator. On the denominator, we ended up with 8, and on the numerator, we ended up with 14. So we have 14/8. But 14/8 is an improper fraction. So you cannot leave your answer like that. You have to change it and convert it to a mixed number. So I advise you to go and watch this video that explains on how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number, because that is how you will leave your final answer as a mixed number and it should be reduced. Thank you so much for watching.